Hi my sprinkles, there are tricks most big content creator has used to grow their YouTube channel. I have observed these tricks and I've started implementing them on my own channel and I've started seeing improvement on my channel. In this video, I will be sharing those tricks with you, so keep on watching to learn, okay? Hi my sprinkles, welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on everything YouTube improvement tips and how-to videos. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating content on this channel. If you're doubting me, please go through my other videos to confirm this. In today's video, I will be talking about how to grow your YouTube channel organically. Please keep on watching to learn, okay? Hi my sprinkles, these tips I'm about to share in this video will work for both new YouTubers and old YouTubers, okay? As far as you have a YouTube channel or you're planning on having a YouTube channel, this tip will work for you. So let's go into it without wasting much of your time. My sprinkles, the first tip on my list on how to grow your YouTube channel organically is you have to know your niche or pick out what you'll be posting on your channel. This is not really a big factor, the niche part, but it will save you the stress of posting videos that might not be watched. When we hear about niche, everybody is scared to niche down and nobody wants to niche down because they love so many things. Now, I am not advising you to niche down, but I am just advising you to have an idea of things you want to be posting, like videos you want to be posting. Like if you want to be posting fashion video, beauty video, vlogs, sit down videos, if you have an idea, this and this are what I want to be known for on my channel and these are what I want to be posting on my channel, that is kind of niche. Whether you have 1, 2 or 3 of the kind of videos you want to be posting, you have a niche already, okay? So you have to have a mental idea of what you want to be posting on your channel. Don't go and be carrying people's video and be posting on your channel. It's not a niche. You have to know what you want to post on your channel. In the case where you have 2 to 3 type of niches you want to be posting on your channel, like you want to start posting fashion, you want to start posting beauty, you want to start posting vlogs, these are different kind of niche that you want to post on your channel. Especially if you want to start talking about skincare, perfume, I will ask you, you have to kind of make it in a way that your audience, you know what you're coming from. For example, you can start adding your skincare and perfume hauls inside your vlogs. Then you do your fashion and your beauty in the vlog. Then you start posting other maybe sit down video in that same channel. This can help you niche down a little bit. Notice you didn't leave what you love doing. You didn't leave the videos you love creating. Now you have like packaged them in a place and start posting them in a place. Example, you start posting your skincare hauls or your talks about skincare or your fashion hauls, your perfume hauls. You start talking about them in your vlogs. Then you add them to your other activities. That means you've moved skincare hauls and fashion hauls into your vlog, making it one. Then you can do a sit down video in that. That is still creating the videos you like and still having a channel that has all niches inside. Hope you understand what I'm saying, okay? One thing I know about YouTube is that you learn as you go. Nobody will teach you everything you need to know, but the basic, but you will definitely learn as you go. When you keep on posting video, before you know, you create your own audience. And when you create your own audience, they will start requesting for what they want to see more from you. Or you can ask them what you should be posting more often and they will tell you. By that time, you will start niching down before you know it. By the time you notice, you will see that you will now focus more on this because that video tends to do well. And that is how so many people are doing it. When I started my channel, I was posting different videos until I got to the point I know what my audience wants and I know what they enjoy. I started posting that type of video. Right now I have removed vlogs from my channel. No more vlogs again, just sit down videos in this channel. Even with the sit down videos, I post other type of sit down videos, YouTube improvement tips and how to videos in sit down videos. Hope you understand my point now. So when you're starting, there's no need rushing yourself to niche down. By the time you start creating different kind of content, you will see the one that is definitely doing good on your channel. That is the particular video your audience is trying to tell you that this is the one they enjoy and this is the one you should be posting. By the time you know it, you will go back and start posting that type of video. Okay, hope you understand my point. If you don't understand, leave it in the comment section, let me explain more to you. Okay, let's move on to the next tip I have for you. My sprinkles, my number 2 point for how to grow your YouTube organically is discipline and consistency. I'm sorry, I know nobody likes hearing consistency, but that is it. Everybody saying consistency, consistency, consistency. You need consistency with discipline. If not, you're going to kill your channel with your own hands. You have to get a day where you post. In my bio, I wrote one video every week, which is Sundays. I post every Sunday. You have to pick a day. It's either daily, weekly, or monthly. But I feel monthly is even too far because you will start your channel before you post once in a month. No, it can be daily, weekly, or twice in a month. That's okay. But twice in a month is not okay, but 3 times in a month is very, very okay. This is going to help your channel grow. If you don't post, YouTube will think you're not serious. Which content will they push out if you don't post? You have to post content because you don't even know the content that will blow you up. You don't know that video you post that is going to go viral. So you have to post. And I know many people don't want to be consistent. It's not easy to be consistent. Yes, it's not easy. It is the hardest part of this social media thing, consistency. You have to be consistent. So you have to discipline yourself to be consistent. Now, for you to be consistent, you have to plan ahead of time. I will shoot more 3 videos today after shooting this very video. You have to plan ahead of time. Once I shoot 3 videos now, I will schedule them for this whole month. Then I will shoot again for the ending of the month. Schedule them again. That is it. You have to plan ahead of time if you don't want to shoot every day. But all I know is that you have to be disciplined to be consistent. So you have to be very, 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 very consistent if you want your YouTube channel to grow organically. Paying for sub will not help your channel. Paying people to watch your video will not help your channel. You need that organic followers. You need that organic audience that will be loyal with you, that will go with you on your journey. That is it. You don't need robots. You don't need fake people that cannot even relate with you, that cannot even relate with your personality, that you don't even know them. You need real organic followers, real organic audience. You have to be consistent to get to this point. Okay, let's move on to the next tip. My sprinkles, my 3rd tip to grow your YouTube channel organically is you have to be patient. You have to be very patient with yourself and your YouTube channel. Let's say you're consistent and you're posting videos for 2 months straight, or you have been posting videos every week for 3 months. Now you're expecting, oh, why is my channel not blowing up? Why have I not gotten to one? No, be patient. It will happen. It will happen. If your goal is to post 100 videos and go viral, keep on posting. It will happen. It might not be quickly, but it will definitely happen. I can tell you that for free. It will definitely happen. Some have their own sooner than others, but definitely you will get there. Don't go comparing yourself with other people's channel that is blowing up and you'll be telling yourself that you know where this person started and you're still here. No, comparison is the killer of joy. And when it kills your joy, you will not have that zeal to post videos, and you don't need that for yourself. Just stay on your lane, mind your business, and post your video. telling yourself one day I will get to that point. Use this person as an inspiration to yourself and keep on posting. Everybody will get there sooner or later. Okay, let's move on to the next point. My sprinkles, the fourth point to grow your YouTube channel organically is pray for your channel. Whatever you believe in, if you believe in the universe, if you believe in God, if you believe in anything, just pray to what you believe in for your channel. If you can pray for your relationship, if you can pray for your business, if you can pray for yourself, definitely you can pray for your channel. I pray for anything I cherish, so definitely I pray for my channel. Don't believe that, oh, this is a social media platform, what is the big deal for me to pray for it? Pray for it, commit it unto the hands of God, and let God bless your handwork. Many people YouTube have changed their life. YouTube can also change your life. Don't think that, oh, it's not necessary to pray for your channel. I'm telling you, pray for your channel, commit it into the hands of God, and watch how God will bless your hard work. Okay, so don't give up on your channel. If you can't give up on yourself, if you can't give up on your business, if you can't give up on your relationship, definitely don't give up on your channel. I will tell you this for free. Okay, let's move on to the next. My sprinkles, my fifth point on how to grow your YouTube channel organically is market, advertise, and carry your channel on your head. Nobody will help you to do this. Nobody will help you to carry it on their head though. It's you. It's left for you to do that. Tell people about your YouTube channel. Make sure when you're telling these people, you guys have the same kind of mindset. Let not be someone that will watch something and dump your video on the way. And mind you, these people won't follow you along your journey. Some might drop during the journey, but you have to keep on pushing. You have to keep on showing up. You have to keep on posting. You have to keep on telling. You have to keep on carrying your market on your head. That is the only way. If you keep quiet, your channel too will keep quiet. There's one Igbo adage that say onyekwe chiekwe. That is, if you agree, your God too will agree. If you keep your mouth mute and you don't tell people, nobody will know about it. When I started, I told my contact on my WhatsApp about my business. People that like, they click to watch. Most people drop along the way. Many of them are not watching. It's just few people. That is why I was consistent, posting and posting to build my audience. Okay, so you have to be consistent in posting. Keep on pushing. Don't give up. That is the only way you're going to do it. If you're going to buy subscribers, or you are doing sub for sub, or you are paying people to watch your video, it's going to harm your channel in the long run, because when those people drop, it will take effect on your channel. Imagine you having 10,000 subscribers, and when you post a video you have 10 viewers. It's not working. All your videos you're posting, you're having 10, you're having 100, and you have 10,000 subscribers. How does that work? You know something is wrong somewhere. So you have to keep on showing up, pushing your videos and posting. Okay, my sprinkles, I've come to the end of the video, and if you have any tips you want to add to what I have said, please leave it in the comment section. If you're still growing your YouTube channel and you're having any difficulties, please, you can leave it in the comment section. I will share one or two tips with you if I have any for you. And if you have words of encouragement for other people, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, I love interacting with you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Okay, please share my video so it gets out to other people, and YouTube will keep on pushing my video. Please stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.